Looking for the perfect Christmas gift? Well, stay tuned. We're going to show you guys our top 5 picks on which awesome products to gift this holiday season. Now, one of the most awesome gifts that you can give someone is the gift of a car wash kit. Now, we have tons of awesome car wash kits available on our website. For example, this one that I just pulled up right now. This kit comes with some drying towels. It comes with a wash mitt. It comes with a variety of products, including the citrus washing gloss, Mr. Pink soap, some after wash drying aid, along with a nice spray bottle to go ahead and dilute your Diablo wheel gel here. Bam, and Diablo wheel gel itself. It also comes with the bucket itself, the lid, and a dirt trap. So gifting something like this, it's a super awesome idea for a gift because, this is intended for that person in your life that, you need to tell them that they need to wash their car. If you have that person in your life where they're beginning to detail, or maybe they just picked up a brand new car, this is the perfect idea for a gift this holiday season. It comes with everything, like I mentioned. It comes with some afterwash drying aid. This works out great, especially whenever you're drying your car. This is great for any kind of detailing newbie. If they're having a tough time washing their car, all of these products are intended to speed up your detail process and make it much more easier. It does come with our citrus washing gloss soap as well. This is a great soap to go ahead and use whenever you're faced with heavy grime. And then you also have a bottle of Mr. Pink, which works out especially well to give your car a nice maintenance car wash. Now you have your secondary dilution spray bottle here to go with your Diablo wheel gel, because as you guys know, you can't complete a detail without cleaning those wheels. So Diablo wheel gel works out great on all wheel types, and you have the secondary dilution spray bottle to go ahead and dilute it in. Along with, the kit comes with the bucket, of course. Now you can't have a bucket without a dirt trap. The dirt trap is going to be a lifesaver. So especially for that person that, they've never washed their car before, the dirt trap is going to be something that, they're going to want to have. That dirt trap is going to prevent them from scratching and swirling their ride during the washing process. Like I mentioned, it does come with some microfibers as well. So it does come with your nice soft chenille microfiber wash mitt. Now this wash mitt is perfect because it fits like a glove. So you can go ahead and snap that right on. As you guys can see, it fits on my hand. I can go ahead and use this to safely wipe down my car without inflicting any kind of damage such as scratches and swirls. So along with that, you also have 2 drying towels. Now, you can't complete a detail without drying your car, right? So that's why we've included 2 awesome drying towels. Now, like I mentioned, we have a ton of detailing kits available on our website. This is just one that I selected just because I thought that this kind of covered all corners. Like I mentioned, you have your bucket, which you're gonna need your bucket, your wash mitt, dirt trap, your lid. The lid, you can go ahead and snap it on your bucket, and it makes for the perfect detailing stool to sit on. So all these products work out especially well. Like I mentioned, it works out perfect as a Christmas gift for any kind of detailing professional or detailing newbie. If it's a newbie, they don't have any car wash products and they want to go ahead and start learning, this is a great gift to give. And if they're a professional, well, you can never have enough Chemical Guys products in your arsenal. All right, guys, and our next gift idea is the gift of foam. And what better way to do that than by gifting an awesome foam blaster? Now, this foam blaster is great because it connects to any garden hose. So that means that you don't need a fancy pressure washer or anything. The TORQ Foam Blaster R1 works out great with any standard garden hose. So you can go ahead and plug it right into your standard garden hose. It includes a nozzle, the bottle itself, the top of it, and everything that you're gonna need in order to get this baby foaming. So this works out great, especially to give that person in your life the gift of foam so that they prevent themselves from scratching and swirling the ride. Now the foam is super awesome and super fun to see, but it does have a purpose, guys. So that foam is actually uplifting that dirt and grime from the surface of your paint so that you don't cause any kind of scratches or swirls to your paint. So it helps you by preventing the chance of that happening, and it gives you a nice sudsy wash, and it also makes the best use out of your soap, because with these foam blasters you go ahead and you put about 2 to 3 ounces of soap as compared to you just pouring half a gallon into your bucket. This is the perfect way to utilize your soap. Another great reason to gift this is because it comes in a nice convenient box. So if you want to go ahead and wrap it, it's super easy, or just slap a bow right on it and you're good to go. All right, guys, now the next gift idea that we have for you guys is giving the gift of a brand new product. Now, odds are, if you're watching this video right now, we've just released a ton of awesome brand new products, including the TORQ Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. So if you have that detailing professional in your life and you want to go ahead and give them the gift of a thick foam, then the TORQ Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon is the perfect gift idea. This thing, it utilizes our newest full flow technology to allow you the ultimate versatility for foaming up your ride. It even comes with our new big blow bezel that allows you to go ahead and create the thickest and widest stream of the thickest foam you've ever seen. We have the new Stranger Helpful Handy mitt. Now this mitt is great to get everywhere. Now this thing you can use wet or dry. You can use it wet on the exterior of your vehicle to wipe it down, wash it, give it a maintenance, and to get into all those hard to reach nooks and crannies such as the door handles, grills, emblems, wheels, you name it. The Stranger does it all. Or use it dry on your interior to go ahead and use it as a duster. So you can go ahead and dust off your dashboard, your door panels, and clean up any kind of dust that may be lingering around in your interior. Our awesome new Rimpaca wheel brushes. The Rimpacas work out especially well for those wheels and those hard to reach areas. So the Rimpaca does an amazing job at getting into all those hard to reach areas with ease. We have 2 different sets. You have the Rimpaca Ultimate Wheel Brush that comes with 3 different size brushes to allow you the ultimate versatility. We also have the Rimpaca Reach Round that utilizes 2 unique angle designs so that you can go ahead and get deep and into those hard to reach areas that require that angle. These brushes as well, you can use them wet or dry. You can use them wet on the exterior vehicle to clean up, your wheels, your undercarriage, exhaust pipes, stuff like that, or your engine bay. And you can use it dry on your interior to go ahead and use it as a duster. So to get into all those hard to reach areas like your dashboard, especially if you have a large dashboard, you can use these brushes to dust it out and or use it with the cleaner like nonsense to clean up, hard to reach areas like cup holders and much more. And the last product on this list is going to be our HydroSpeed. Now HydroSpeed is a ceramic quick detailer. So if you have that professional level detailer in your life or that car enthusiast, this is the product for them. They can carry this in their car or in their detailing arsenal bag, carry it around and use it to wipe off that light layer of dust, debris, bird droppings that land on their ride, whilst also giving it a boost of ceramic shine and protection. So like I mentioned, if you're watching this video right now, these products are hot. So these are most likely on your loved one's, wish list. So, if they have any of these products on their wish list, this is a great gift idea. They're gonna love it and they're gonna love you even more whenever you give it to them. All right, guys, now our next gift idea is giving the gift of a nice smelling ride. Now, do you have that person in your life that they just kind of smell? I mean, their car always smells like something new, whether it be, whatever they last ate or whatever's been lingering around in their backseat for the past 2 weeks. This is a great way to just tell them, hey, you know what? You can use a boost of confidence and a nice smelling car. So what better way than to give the gift of an air freshener? Now this right here is our new Fresh Fade. I love this. This is my new personal favorite air freshener. It smells amazing. Hey, Ricardo, what's up?
What up, bro?
Hey, man, check out that flying dog over there.
Dog, bro.
Oh, did you see it?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I didn't see anything.
Yeah, it's okay. Here you go. Happy holidays, man.
Thanks, man.
Take care. So giving the gift of an awesome smelling air freshener works out amazing, especially if you have that smelly friend in your life. So Ricardo, enjoy your Fresh Fade. Now our next gift idea on the list is stocking stuffers. Now who doesn't love stuffing up their stockings? Now this is a great way of gifting some awesome Chemical Guys products. Now as you guys can see right here, some items that we have included are some amazing Chemical Guys merch. So we have some awesome t-shirts, hats, lanyards, and a bunch of other stuff that you can stock your stuffings with so that you can give the ultimate gift of detailing swag. Now we do have all those stuff right there. We also have some little things such as our Red Rocket brushes. You can't go wrong with brushes. That's why we have a ton of little brushes in here. Let me go ahead and pull those out for you so you guys can see. You can go ahead and stock up your stuffings with some awesome detailing brushes because these brushes are lifesavers no matter if you're inside or outside your ride. Detailing wheels, detailing interiors, they work on virtually all surfaces. So brushes are a great way to stuff your stockings along with some awesome 4-ounce products. Now right here we have a 4-ounce bottle of our Fresh Fade, which you guys saw in the last clip. We also have some Leather Quick Detailer. I have a bunch of stuff in here. Let me try to pull it all out without dropping everything. We also have some other products right here, my last 2, which are some awesome air fresheners such as Pina Colada, Fresh Cherry. Now these 4-ounce options are awesome for stocking stuffers because you can offer your loved ones or the person that you want to give a wide variety of awesome Chemical Guys products. We also have a lot more products in stock on our website such as glazes, waxes, sealants, compounds, and polishes so that they can try out and love them and then pick up a larger size. All right, guys, and there you guys have it. These were our top 5 picks for you guys for holiday gift ideas. If you guys need any more suggestions on what to gift your loved ones for the holiday season, make sure to make your way on down to our website, chemicalguys.com, and check out our holiday gift guide. Let us know what you guys are gifting your loved ones this season. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you guys next time.